I have a circular lamp on the ceiling of my room and I want to make it RGB. But the problem is that RGB LED strips don't really bend in a circle. Let me show you what I mean. So for this, you can only put the LED strip facing outward if you have a circular lamp, or if the sides are vertical and facing downwards, then maybe you can put it on the inside, facing inwards, but then it won't shine, won't light up sideways very well, just down and maybe up and reflect back from the ceiling. So this is what I'm going to do. I measured it. My lamp is 33 centimeters diagonal thickness, whatever you call it. Diameter, yeah, that's it. So yeah, 33 centimeters, and that makes the circle's length about 1 meter. I never would have guessed that, but this works out really well because I bought this stupid cheap $4 strip with a 500 milliamp power supply, and the whole length of the LED strip, this requires at least 1 amp. So if I cut this 4-meter strip in half to make 2 1-meter circles for the lamp, that can be powered without problems by this cheap crap whatever power supply, which is supposed to be 2 amps, but it's instead 500 milliamps. So I'll have to cut 2 meters of this LED strip, and I want to line up. So as you can see, can you see? Yes. So one module is from here to the end. This is one module, 9 LEDs, and it's blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. So I want to optimize this setup for purple because my girlfriend likes purple. Yeah. So I want to line the LEDs up so the blue always meets the red. The blue with the red, blue with the red, and hopefully like that. Blue with the red, so it's closer to, and these all give out purple light. Yeah. So how do I achieve that? Turn it around maybe. Turn it around and offset it by 1. That way. So I have to offset it by 1 and turn it around. Right? What else could I do? The other direction doesn't work. That's already a disaster. Oh, and then I could potentially have a clear green spots here. I mean points. So these will all be green. That's interesting. So green and purple will be the two colors that will have these brighter spots. If I mix any other color, then they'll be mixed and not that clear and not that bright, because the LEDs will be further apart. So yeah, this is interesting. So offset by 1. And facing the other way. And the lower LED strip will face that way. And each one will be 1 meter, and this is 1 meter. And I can supply it with only 500 milliamps, 12 volts, and the controller, remote, etc. Yeah, and it will be facing outwards from this circle. It will be facing out, so it will illuminate the whole room and hopefully the ceiling too. Yes, it will have enough angle to, so it will be brightest here near the lamp, and it will fade the further it gets. But the color will be the same. It will be, when it's purple, here will be less and less bright. That could be really nice. Okay, and green. Yeah, and all the other colors that can be mixed. This should be interesting. So let's look at the other, because this RGB strip and the controller have a few modes with fade, smooth, yeah, that transition smoothly, flash. So it has one mode when it skips on the colors red, green and blue. I mean green, red and blue. Green, blue, red. So one so one strip will be jumping this way and the other one backwards. I don't know what to do about that. So that effect may be ruined if I put it like this. If one strip is that way and the other that way. Maybe I won't use that. It's no problem, I think. And there's the white mode, red mode. Red will be like that. There will be a black spot here with the green whenever I turn on blue or red, and this will be turned off. So yeah. Well, it will work, I think. Yeah, so I'll have to cut 2 pieces of 1 meter and solder the wires properly. Yeah, it will be on one end. This will come in here. I don't want to cut this off. It has a nice little plug there. And then the cut end will need a 180 turn. 4 wires like that, from one strip to the other. Am I wrong here? So that, yeah, That's how it will be. So the closest wires have to be like this. Okay. So the plan is clear. Now it's implementation time.